So turn thermostat down. Do here. The only reason why I never run my air conditioners at high cool is because it's not necessary in my opinion. My room feels colder and it's quieter, so I never run my air conditioners at high cool, except on those like really, really hot days. Then maybe. Here you go. Compressor. A little bit of rattling, huh? Alright, low cool. High cool. Low cool again. It blows, I mean, it blows fairly cold. It might have a small refrigerant leak, because it doesn't blow as cold as my RCA air conditioner. It cools, it gets chilly, but, you know, it don't blow as cold as I would like it to. It really doesn't. And when you get to high cool, it feels lukewarm. So... it's about 92, 93 degrees right now. We're in the middle of a heat wave over here in Southeast Michigan. It's miserable. It really is. I feel bad for all the elderly that don't have air conditioners, man. I really do. Alright, I'm done.